Good rising, guys. So today is one of my favorite days of the year since today is my beautiful husky Lana birthday. Today she celebrates her 10 years birthday, and as every year, Libby just came here. Libby, you want to say hi? Happy birthday, Lana! Okay, so as every year she celebrated on the 8th of March, which is official Women's Day. She chose the best day to come to the world. And this year I'm gonna surprise her with a beautiful gourmet chef meal that Chen's gonna make. I'm sorry for my voice. I had a bit of a runny nose in the past 3 days. I spent some time with my lovely nephew, and as gratitude he gave me his runny nose. So thank you, Omri. I'm so not used to be sick. I'm like fine almost all year. It feels so weird to me, like this experience, not charming experience of having your nose blocked and your whole face red because you wipe so much. But sometimes, stuff happens. So right now I'm only focused on being better. I'm already in the set of mind that I feel much better. So we're gonna manifest it to my experience. Anyway, back to Lana. So yeah, we're gonna head out soon. So we'll see you on the way. Bye! So for the event I also switched for my formal dress, and now we're gonna also dress the doggies because this restaurant requires a formal dress code, so they should wear a tuxedo and a dress. So now they're in their formal dress. Hector wear a tuxedo.
מוכן לאירוע? את מוכנה לאירוע, לאנצ'י?
This is the entree. Don't look at the mess. Only look at the plate. The doggy chef. We call him the bark master. Such a good smell. Nom nom nom. Okay. Bon appetit. It's okay. Wow! The guest ran away from the table. Back to the table. Lana, צלחת שלך פה.
רוצה את כל הצלחה.
So this is the main course. We have here cauliflower, carrot, pumpkin, apples, all the stuff they like. And a sweet potato puree with beet. Kudos to the chef. Wow, Lana, we're gonna have it together. Give Lana בסוף. They seem to really like it, so I'll send the regards to the chef. Lana just clean her plate, and Hector is just after her. Give tip to the chef and the waitress. Javon. She's eating our birthday cake, and we have some grandma cookies, and I also made them these little icy caramel sweets with Zilan. You like your dessert? 5 stars, please. Give us 5 stars rating, okay? It's really important to us. And a big tip if you don't mind, and a good review. I also made a little cake package for Lazy, Lana mom. So we're gonna deliver it to her so she can try Lana cake as well. It's such an happy deer since it's Purim. Chen dressed as a German. We call him Johan. And this is his deer, Hector. Let's go.
Gonna be a fiddler someday, but you better get to practicing before you're old and gray, and your best years slip away.
Here at Be'er Sarid. Ooh, a bit windy. Oh my gosh! I love that it's warm. Just you need to be a bit more warm and less wind, and it's a perfect day. Oh no, you have a runaway dog. You better behave, Hector. You look like a little suricata. Yeah, I think we should actually tie them up. Ba, Hector, bye, Lana. Ba, psycho. Naughty Hector just run after the bunny. This little naughty dog just put a huge sprint after the bunny. You better not touch that bunny. You hear me? Oh my God, he's exhausted. This bunny gave him the run of his life. So we found this mountain of flower. I take a photo here.
I heard about you long before we met. You're winsome and you're young, at least that's
Look how beautiful.
what they said.
There is a purple flower here. Everything is blooming.
Deny the fact that you are grown.
Oh, this road is like a maze. I think I found them. That's so pretty. And at the end of the road, they have a table here with a bench. Kind of like Alice in Wonderland. That is so pretty. No, why did you move?
Enough of your beauty.
We all just took some garbage that people left. Oh, sun, I love you, sun. Praise the sun. Look, it's cold. So we sit here for dinner at Cafe Alma, and they seem to love dogs. She was so thirsty, my little husky. Perfect menu. they have Hector and Lana dining at the table. So from the menu, they have a few vegan options. This one, it's a sandwich with zucchini. We also took the lunch bowl, and we also took, for dessert, the peanut butter toffee. Anything you order, guys? What did you order? Yes, it's a good choice. Beautiful plates. They have a drawing of a cow and a cow. So Chen took cortado, I took minty, which hopefully will help with my runny nose. And here we have the dessert. So, itadakimasu. Right. Oh, I think we need to wait for it for melting, but go away. Very nutty taste.
Very nasty taste.
So we start with the dessert, now we get the rest of the food. I like starting with the dessert, by the way. This one is also very good. Let's try some with the sauce. The dipping sauce are great. I think I enjoyed the dessert the most. This was actually spicy food. Somehow Chen ate it all. Have a little nose here. Little nosy. So I have here some tomatoes and tahini. And let's give the doggies. Let's just try not get dirty. Nom nom nom. Guys, here is the cake delivery to Lazy Lana Mom. Another one want the cake.
Another one want the bite.
I think it's too small of a cake to share with all of you. So we're gonna give it to Lazy. Hello, Lazy. We brought you cake. Lazy, הבאתי לך עוגה. את רוצה עוגה? Looky guys, I also brought candles. I bought her a bigger candles, but I couldn't find them. They disappeared somehow, I have no idea. Like really beautiful big candles, but we're gonna, we'll need to use those ones. So we're gonna light them up. Oops. Look what we... Now we're gonna get the cake. Okay, so I sliced the cake since we have 3 guests, and now each one gonna get a piece. Lazy gonna get the big one because those two already have a piece of the cake. A piece for the birthday girl, a piece for Lana, bye. A piece for Hector, bye. A piece for Lazy. Here you go. Oh, he's so gentle. So gentle. You're lazy. You're lazy. Go away, you two. Okay, you two little nuggets. Lazy. Bon appetit. Everybody enjoy the cake? Happy birthday, Lana. We love you. Okay, all gone, guys. All gone. Lana, she come to tell you happy birthday. Yeah, you give her kisses? You give her kisses? You give her kisses. Almost 7 p.m. and we just got back home. It was a long day. Both Lana and I are quite tired. I hope she had fun. She definitely ate a lot of yummy stuff, so I think she got quite tired from eating that much. Her belly is quite full. Thank you for beautiful 10 years. I enjoy every day with you. And yeah, for many more happy years to come. Happy birthday, Munchkin. I love you. Happy birthday to Lan, from Libby and me. Happy birthday, my lovely. Dee 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 dee.